Okay, so we just finished the first scene. Now we're headed to the next. So we gotta do an outfit change. I love those. And then we have to fix some makeup and hair. So we are finally at the hotel. And we have officially made it, you guys. Now it is time to change and go into outfit number 2 and start on our hair and makeup.